Tunikidis. They see that Reb Shimon Bar Yochai, when he ran away because they want to kill him, first he hid in the shul. You know the story from Masechta Shabbos? There was 3 Tanuim, Reb Shimon Bar Yochai, Rabbi Yossi, Rabbi Yida. Rabbi Yida says that the Roimim, they're so great, so good. They make bridges in squares, big squares where to sit down, and then also where to go take swimming pools, this old kind stuff. Rabbi Yossi didn't say nothing. Rabbi Shimon says, nah, they don't do it for us. They do it for the bridges. They want to collect tax and other things for not good things, only for a virus. There's someone, Yehida ben Gairam. He goes around, he told what the 3 Tanuim was talking. So the Roimim, the government, heard from this, and they said, Yehida, because he talked nice on the government, he got a gift. Every place he gonna come, he start talking. He gonna got Rasha Medabrim. Then Yossi, because he didn't say nothing, not bad but not good, he has to go in gulas. Shimon, you have to kill him because he talks. It was like a communist. He's not allowed to talk a word against the government. So Reb Shimon Bar Yochai heard that there's a gezair on him. He hid in shul with his son Reb Lozer, and his wife was bringing every day food. Then Reb Shimon says for his son, no, I think that the Gemara says nushim dat and kalas. Women don't have a strong mind. If they're gonna put pressure on them, they're gonna tell the secret that there and there is my husband. So we have to hide. No one should know. He goes in a mare, in a cave, for 12 years. Then he comes out. Then there was a gezair for another year. 13 years. 13 years was Reb Shimon sitting in a cave with his son Reb Lozer. So first of all, you see why he took Reb Lozer with him. Run away, run yourself. If you want to be great, into sit and learn in a cave for 30 years, but there is a greater thing from this. Chinuch. Chinuch is much greater from going to make a zoyer into. Reb Shimon Bar Yochai was in the cave. Elionovi was come every day learn with him. Moshe Rabbeinu comes every day learn with him. The mamash, he was so great, but not greater from chinuch. Not allowed to run away and let you and leave at home. Who's gonna take care from your kid? So this we see in the Gemara. He took me to his son with him. This is one thing. Then I told yesterday about the Shir that we see in the Gemara, as in the Gemara. Aber man sieht in der Gemara, am Morgen die gesagt, verstehst du Englisch? When Reb Shimon comes out from the cave, he asked around the people that are in charge, the Gabuam, the Meminam, if there is something to help people, if there is something what I can do. Because we see in the Torah, when Yaakov comes home after the fight with Esav, Vayuva Yaakov Shulam, Yaakov comes home Shulam. So the Gemara says Shulam, he was whole he was healthy because he had a fight with the Malach from Esav. The Malach from Esav give him a punch and he was limping. So then he got Baruch Hashem healthy. Shulim begifa, Shulim b'moinoi, Shulim b'terusa. He didn't forget to learn. So Yaakov, vayichen es panayoir. He do something. There's a machloikis in the Gemara. Rav says he made kind of matbayas or merchetzuas, shvukim. So Reb Shimon Bar Yochai, when he comes out from the cave, he says, I want to do something for other people. If Hashem do for me a nes, made me a nes, I want to help other people. This we have to take with us with Lag Boimer. If Hashem help us, we have to do something for other people. Not a person think, if I was in a cave for 13 years, what you gonna do? What you will do when you come out? At least 30 years sitting on the couch, no? 30 years I was sitting in sand, only boxer with water. Now he says, I have to do something. Tiaresir teveru. He help people, this is the thing. Hashem help us. We know from the Rebbe, we know from Tzaddik Derech HaLimud, we know that we could talk to Hashem every day. We have to help other people also, to go afutza. No, it's enough. This we have to, not to you see Marash, he finds by the 16 years a book from the Rebbe. Ich gehe jetzt einfach jeden einen verspreiten im Cipher. This is the kid. If Hashem help me, I'm gonna help other people. I find this a book what help me learn and davening. I'm gonna teach other people. I'm gonna talk to other people. I wish to help them. We should all life always do a futza. If someone gives you a bezoyan, this bezoyan has to come to you. If not from this person, you're gonna come home and your wife gonna give you a bezoyan. No, what's better? Better a dog, built barks in the street. When you have a dog in my house and he don't stop barking. No, better. Okay, in the street, bark. I get the dog. I'm going home. I have my bed, my food, my house. It's a mechaya. Marash's father told him. Marash one time tell his father, why I have such machloikas. Marash's father told him, there are neshumas, they have to suffering. Even if you are going away from all people, going in the forest, gonna start falling at you branches. Branches gonna fail you because you have to suffer. I was for 8 years ago. I can't walk here on the street. I have to, if I want to come in the middle of the week, I go only with car. Because there was a schooner. They hurt me. Someone choked me, and there was I have a neighbor. He told, wait. One day I'm gonna cut out your pious. So I went to Marash because I told Marash, if someone hits me, okay, you're gonna heal. But if someone, even for a joke, gonna cut my pious, I have to stay home for a year, no? So I asked Marash, give me a bruche. I was so scared from this. So Marash gives me a bruche. Don't worry. You could walk in the street. I didn't. For 8 years ago, I didn't walk in the street. I take a cars, and then Shabbos, I was woke up very early to come. Then we done fast here, so I could go home before all shuls finishing. And I watched. So Marash told me, if someone has to hit you, you don't have to have a yeshiva for this, because then there was here a story, a person walking the street and a guy beat him up. Marash heard the news. So Marash told by the shir, if a person has to get beaten up, you don't have to have a yeshiva and for this. This is gonna happen. You see, you hear the news. Marash turned around by the drusha. You hear the news. So if you go a food, so someone gives you a bezoyan, who needs stuff? Throw it in the garbage. You're coming every day here in the restaurant. Please, I come here to eat. Why you come every day? This, you have to have a bezoyan today. Thanks God, it's not from your wife. It's not from your kids. It's not in the house. It's from outside. It's Hetzbucherem. Oh boys, you are listening. We have to go our food every day a little bit. For another person. Have a kintres, have a cipher. See, you're not lost. Hab ich da helfen, muss das euch sein.